Hey guys, Greenbird here. Hope everyone is doing awesome. Do I have a surprise today? Got my box of Obsidian from Will Self. I know I always complain about Obsidian, yet I still buy it. Because there is something satisfying about smacking into Obsidian. It's not the Obsidian I don't like, it's the giant mess it makes. That's what I don't like. So, no, that was pretty crappy. You always get free carpet when you order from Will. And of course a bunch of freebies. So I ordered 2 dozen triangles and then some Davis Creek Green Obsidian. I cannot wait to look at that. Doesn't look like triangle to me. Those are freebies. Here's a dozen. Look at how those are good size too. Man, for the price, great size. And here's the other dozen. Bet this is a mix of rainbow and some other stuff. But really what I wanted was these 10 triangles of Davis Creek. So let's take a look at those. This will be the first time I've ever had Davis Creek Green Obsidian. So let's take one out and take a look and see what it looks like. That's beautiful. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. It's a nice, kind of a pale green, but I bet as soon as we chip into this, it'll be like everything else and it'll start to glow. Let's get the camera off here real quick. See if the sun makes any difference. Can't tell I have sunglasses on, so I won't know until I edit this, but that's some beautiful stuff. So anyway, just real quick, just wanted to share that. These are all the same. I won't bore you with the redundancy. And I got a bunch of these that are on my last video, so I'll keep those packed up for now. Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to do a video soon on this Davis Creek Green, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done.